Everyone loves using AI to send emails, but what if you could do this within workflows and automations using HighLevel? This is a really great way that we can write emails using AI, using the send email action within workflows. So let me show you how it works. So within any workflow, we're just going to use the regular send email action here. And using this action, we can give it our regular action name, from email, subject, etc. And then right here, we have a write with AI button. So this is really cool. When we click this, we can first select our tone, which we can select from any of the regular tones within the sub account. So let's do persuasive. Then we can type a prompt. So for example, let's say this is a appointment reminder workflow. So to make that work, we'll make a prompt saying send an appointment reminder email for people who booked a discovery call for our coaching services or whatever you want to use, and then add a call to action for them to reply to confirm. We can really make this prompt whatever we want. Then we can click generate email. And once we do that, it's going to use AI to generate an email based off of our prompt within this workflow. And then we can see it writes the email just like that and uses custom values within the email itself. So this is really cool because it'll actually use all the custom values that we need, such as the appointment time, the appointment date, the contact's name, your company, and your contact info within this email. Then we can make any modifications that we want using AI. So let's say add a catchy company slogan at the bottom, and we can use this regenerate email button, and it will regenerate the email just like that. And now our email is saying unlock your potential with us as our company slogan, which is really cool. So just like that, we've used AI to generate this entire email with custom values and custom fields and an email subject, and then we can click use email. It'll import it into our workflow action. And as long as we fill out our other fields here, we can click save. And now we can build out complex customized email flows using AI right within HighLevel. I love this because it's going to make email marketing even easier and even more integrated with the platform, allowing you to build out complex email flows using AI without ever having to write an actual email yourself. So this is really cool. I hope you get to get lots of use out of it. If you have any questions, refer to the help doc or leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.